The project lifecycle refers to the structured process that a project follows, from its initiation to its closure. This framework helps guide a project through its various stages, ensuring that project goals are clearly defined and achieved. In product management, understanding the project lifecycle is essential for ensuring that a product is delivered efficiently, on time, and within scope. The phases of the lifecycle include initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure, each having its specific role in project success. Mastering the lifecycle process ensures that you can make informed decisions at each step, keeping your project aligned with business objectives. The project lifecycle is made up of 5 core phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. Each phase is designed to address specific tasks that need to be completed for the project to succeed. The initiation phase is where the idea is born and the feasibility is determined. In the planning phase, a roadmap is created. Execution involves carrying out the plan, monitoring ensures everything stays on track, and closure involves completing the project and reflecting on its success. Understanding each phase's distinct objectives helps product managers effectively navigate the project lifecycle and make necessary adjustments as the project progresses. The project initiation phase is the starting point of any project. This phase is where the project idea is formally conceived and assessed for feasibility. It's important to clearly define the project's objectives, scope, and expected outcomes at this stage. The product manager must work closely with stakeholders to align on goals, timelines, and resources. A project charter or business case is often created to formalize these elements, serving as a reference throughout the project's life. The initiation phase helps ensure that the project aligns with business goals and sets the foundation for planning. The planning phase is where the details of the project come to life. In this phase, product managers work with teams to break down the scope into actionable tasks, allocate resources, and set realistic timelines. A detailed project plan is developed, including a schedule, cost estimates, risk assessments, and quality control measures. The planning phase is crucial for ensuring that all team members are aligned and that the project has a clear direction. Without proper planning, projects are more prone to delays, budget overruns, and miscommunications. Execution is where the project plan is put into action. This phase is often the most resource-intensive, requiring close coordination and management of teams. Product managers oversee the progress, assign tasks, and monitor the project's ongoing activities to ensure everything stays on track. They also facilitate communication between team members and stakeholders to address any issues or changes that may arise. Successful execution requires flexibility, as product managers must make decisions quickly to address unforeseen challenges while keeping the project aligned with its goals. Monitoring and controlling occur simultaneously with execution to ensure that the project stays within scope, time, and budget constraints. Product managers must regularly check project performance against the plan, tracking progress, expenses, and timelines. If variances or risks are identified, corrective actions must be taken to get the project back on track. The goal is to ensure that the project remains aligned with its objectives and that any issues are addressed before they cause significant delays or cost overruns. Project closure marks the end of the project lifecycle. It's important to review the project's deliverables and confirm that all objectives have been met. Product managers ensure that the final product is handed over to stakeholders and that the project is formally closed out. This phase also includes conducting a post-project review to assess successes, identify areas for improvement, and document lessons learned. These insights are valuable for future projects and help improve project management practices across the organization. Although the project lifecycle is divided into distinct phases, it is often iterative. Product managers may need to revisit previous phases based on feedback, changes in the market, or unexpected issues. For example, after executing the plan, New insights may lead to adjustments in the planning or monitoring phases. The iterative process allows product managers to continuously refine the project, making it more adaptive and responsive to the needs of the business and stakeholders. Real-world case studies provide valuable insights into how the project lifecycle is applied in practice. Companies like Google have successfully used the project lifecycle to launch new products. Their approach follows a structured process where each phase is carefully executed, from initial idea generation through to market launch. By adhering to the project lifecycle, Google ensures that all product goals are met efficiently and on time. Product managers rely on various tools to help manage the project lifecycle. Tools like Microsoft Project, Asana, Jira, and Trello allow managers to track tasks, allocate resources, and communicate with teams. These tools provide visibility into the project's health, helping to ensure that tasks are completed on time, within budget, and according to plan. Common challenges in the project lifecycle include scope creep, miscommunication, and resource shortages. Product managers must actively monitor these issues by regularly communicating with stakeholders, managing risks, and adjusting the project plan as needed. Addressing challenges early helps prevent delays, ensuring that the project stays on track and aligned with the overall objectives. Effective stakeholder management is crucial at each stage of the project lifecycle. Product managers must engage stakeholders regularly, set clear expectations, and communicate any changes. Keeping stakeholders informed ensures their buy-in and reduces the risk of misunderstandings. A stakeholder map or communication plan is often created to ensure that all relevant parties are kept in the loop at the right times.